In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete an account in Google Analytics. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account, because account access and admin options depend on the profile you are currently using. Once Analytics loads, you should be on the home area where you normally see an overview of reports and recent activity. Next, look to the left side navigation and select Admin. This takes you into the settings area where you manage permissions and administrative controls. Take a moment here to confirm you are working in the right place, because Google Analytics can contain multiple accounts and properties. If you have access to more than one, double-check the account name shown in the admin section so you do not make changes to the wrong account. From the admin page, find and click Account Access Management. This is the section that controls who has access to the account and what level of permissions they have. Deleting an account in the sense of removing it from your own view is often done by removing your own access, which is handled here. Once you are in Account Access Management, locate your user entry in the list. On that row, click the More Options icon, which usually appears as 3 vertical dots. This opens a small menu of actions you can take related to that user. In the menu, choose View User's Account Details. This opens the detailed view for that user, and it is where you can manage access for yourself. The key idea is that you can remove yourself from the account, which effectively deletes the account from your own analytics access, because you will no longer have permission to view it. Before you proceed with removing your access, be careful. If you are the only administrator on the account, removing yourself can leave no one able to manage it. If this is a shared account, confirm that another trusted admin still has full access, so the account is not orphaned. After you review the user details and confirm you are working on the correct user, complete the removal of your access from that account within the user details area. Once that is done, you should no longer see that analytics account when you navigate through your available accounts. And that covers everything you need to know.